Hello dear students, welcome to my channel. Students, in this session we discuss worksheet 4 and 5 in detail and also we solve all questions. So first chapter, that is natural number and the whole number, class 6 mathematics. So if you not see the up to worksheet 3 in detail solution, then you can go to the playlist or click on I button. So let's start the session. First, we solve the previous assignment questions. First question, what is smallest whole number? Already know that the whole number starting from 0, 1, 2, dot dot. That's why the smallest is 0. But what is the smallest natural number? Natural number start from 1, 2, 3. Yes or no? So answer is 1. Write the smallest 8-digit number. We know that the smallest 8-digit number is 170. Yes or no? But at the unit place we can write 6 because the smallest 8-digit number ending with 6. Clear? Here we discuss about the concept, that is multiplication of whole number. This is the third operation of the whole number. First, property 1. Now when we multiply two whole number in either order, the product remains same, means A into B is also equal to B into A. This law or this property is also known as commutative law. Okay. Now property 2, if the three number are multiplied in any grouping or order, the product also remains same. This is known as associative law. Okay. Now next property, when you multiply 1 with any whole number, then the product itself, okay, means when you multiply 5 with 1, it equal to 5. When you multiply 495 into 1, it equal to 495. Okay. Next property 4, the product of any whole number with 0, then it equal to 0, means 540 into 0 is equal to 0. 2 into 3 into 9 into 0 into 245 also 0, because here 0 is there. When you multiply 0 in any whole number is equal to 0. Clear? Next, worksheet 1. First question, use the property. Okay, first a number 0 means answer will be 0. 1 itself, that is 741. Now see number. This is first property, that is the commutative law or commutative property. So we can write A into B is equal to B into A, that is 27. Now this is the associative law. So we can write 581. Next is 1, because when you multiply with 1 then it becomes itself. Now it equal to 0, then it also 0. Clear? Next question, question number 2. If the cost of one burger equal to this, so first write down cost of one burger is equal to rupees 50.50. So write down total cost of 25 burger is equal to 50.50 into 25. Okay, multiply 25 0 ja 0, 25 5 ja 125. So 125, that is 25 carry 1. 25 0 ja, 25 5 ja 125, 126. Okay, multiply कर दबा 25 5 5 ja 25, 5 5 ja 25, 2 5 ja 10, 2 5 ja 10, 5 2 6 2 1. Okay, so write down rupees 1262 0.50, that is 1262.50. Clear? Now next question. Question number 3. In a library there are the 27 bookshelves. If there are the 479 books on each bookshelf, find the total number of the book. First you should write down the number of the books in on each shelf. Write down number of books on each shelf is equal to each bookshelf is equal to 479 books. Now write down total number of books on 27 bookshelf is equal to 479 into 27. Now multiply 7 9 ja 63, 7 7 ja 49, 6 55, 7 4 ja 28, 5 33, 2 9 ja 18, 2 7 ja 14, 15, 2 4 ja 8, 9. So write down 3 3 9 12, that is 12,933 books are there in 27 bookshelves. Okay. Now next question, question number 4. A store has 432 dresses for girls. If the cost of each dress, so write down cost of each dress is equal to rupees 583.50. So write down cost of 432 dresses multiply 583.50 into 432. Simply you can multiply, then write down the value. Okay. Now next property, that is the distributive property of multiplication. What is the uses of the distributive property? Now we multiply the big number with big number in simple way. Then we use distributive property. Okay. So first 3 plus 4 into 5 is equal to 3 into 5 plus 4 into 5. Simply we can write 4 into 2 plus 5. We can write 4 into 2, then plus, also plus, then 4 into 5. So this property is known as distributive property of multiplication. It is useful for multiplying the large number. What is the uses of the distributive property? It is used for the large number. So one example, that is 172 into 97. Here we know that 97 we can write 100 minus 3. Suppose here is 80, suppose here is 90, 102. Then we can write 100 plus 2. Okay. Why 170 we cannot write 100 plus 72? Because here is 72. When we multiply with 97, then it is a large number. Okay. It takes time. That's why we simply convert 97 into 100 minus 3. So now use the distributive property, that is 172 into 100. Okay. Now 172 into 3. Okay. So we know that when multiply with 0, simply we put the 0, that is 00, minus directly we multiply on face. 3 2 ja 6, 3 7 ja 21, carry 2, 3 1 ja 3 2 5. Okay. Simply minus. Clear? What is the uses of the distributive property on the when we multiply the large number? Now next question, that is 569 into 45 then plus 569 into 55. This is the reverse of the distributive property. Here we take common, that is 569, because 569 are in the both sides. So first taking 569 as common. So here the remaining part is 45, then plus, then 55, then write down. Now we add the bracket, that is 45 plus 55, here is 100. Now multiply, that is 56900. Clear? Similarly works example 9, solve karo. Here taking common as 361, because all side ro amara 361, that is taking 361 as common. So then bracket into, then bracket, here is 162, okay, minus 60 minus 2. Now 361 into 162 minus 60 minus 2. First we subtract 162 60, that is 102 minus 2. Again subtract 361 into 102 minus 2, that is 100. Now multiply 36100. Okay. Next worksheet 5, 52 into 63 plus 37, then you use the distributive property, that is 52 into 63. Okay. Now 52 into 37. So this is 52. Clear? Next B number, 297 into dash plus 43. Here is 43, again 88. So write down here 88, because 297 into 88. Now 297 into 43. Clear? Next dash into 84 plus 16. 84, here is 16. This is 36. Next D number, 218 into 94. Okay, 218 into 94 we can write as 100 minus 6. So here is 100, here is 6. Clear? Next E number, 994 we can write 1000 minus 6. So here is 6. Okay. Also 5 we can write, 6 we can write 5 plus 1, or we can write minus 6, we can write 1000 minus 5 minus 1. So here is minus 5. Again here is 1. Okay, we can write 1. Clear? No minus 5, only 5. Next, rearrange the number and then multiply. Why we rearrange? Now we should multiply easily, that's why we rearrange the number. First we know, simply you can remember some terms, that is 25 into 4, that is 100. 20 into 5, that is 100. Then 125 into 8 is equal to 1000. 16 into 625, that is 10,000. Okay, now solve a number. We can rearrange this number as 125 into 8, then 488. Any doubt? Now when we know that 125 into 8, this is 1000 into 488, now we multiply orally, that is 488000. Okay, now B number, first rearrange 625, okay, into 20. Now 25 into 4, because we multiply 25 into 4, that is 100. Then 0, 2 5 ja 10, carry 1, 2 2 ja 4, 5, 2 6 ja 12. Okay, now multiply orally, that is 12500, then 00. Clear? Next question number C. 16 into 625, yes or no? Rearrange the question, that is 16 into 625 into 125 into 8. So this is 10,000 into 1000. So 4030, that is 1 crore. Next, D number, 20 into 5, because 20 into 5 equal to 100. Now multiply with 1975. So answer will be 100 into 1975. Now multiply orally, that is 197500. Okay. Now E number, 8 into 125, then 25 into 40, because 8 into 125, that is 1000, into 25 4 ja 100, then 0. Now 160. Okay. Next, F number, 200 into 50 into 625 into 16. Okay, now multiply 5 2 ja 10, 230 into 10,000. Now 10,000 means 4 ta 0, then 4 ta 0, that is 10 crore. Okay. Find the product by using the distributive property. Okay. First we know that 107 we can write 100 plus 7, yes or no? So simply we can write equal to 241 into, in bracket, 100 plus 7. Now multiply with, by use the distributive property, 441 into 100 plus 241 into 7. So write down 24100, because we multiply as orally, plus 7 1 ja 7, 7 4 ja 28, 7 2 ja 14 to 16. Now add 07, that is 7, 08, that is 8, 617, 145 to 2. Clear? Similarly, B number, 685 into, we can write 100 minus 6. Any doubt? Now we multiply 685 into 100 minus, because here is minus, 685 into 6. 685 minus 6 5 ja 30, carry 3, 6 8 ja 48, 3 51, carry 5, 6 6 ja 35, 5 41. Now subtract 0 minus 0, that is 0, 0 minus 1, that is 9, here is 4, 4 minus 1, 3, 8 4 4 6 6. Clear? 64,390. Now next question, question number C, 439 into 1000 minus 5. Now 439 into 1000 minus 439 into 5. Now 439 000 minus 5 9 ja 45, 5 3 ja 15, 4 19, carry 1, 5 4 ja 20, 21. Now subtract 0 5 5, then 9, 9 9 0, 9 1 8, 8 8 2 6 3 3 4 4. Now next question, question number D. Here we convert 1009 as 1000 plus 9, then into 13892. Now 1000 into 1392 plus 9 into 1392. Now multiply 1392 000 plus 9 2 ja 18, 9 9 ja 81, 82 carry 8, 9 3 ja 27, 8, 35 5 carry 3, 9 1 ja 9 3 12. Now odd 8 0 8 2 0 2 5. Now 2 2 4, 2 2 4, 9 1 10 carry 1 4 1. Clear? 14,04,528. Next, E number 98. We can write 100 minus 2 into 553. Now multiply 100 into 553 minus 200 500, so 2 into 553. So multiply 55300 minus 6 10 11. So 4 9 को 9 2 1 1 5 1 4 5 5. Okay, now F number 1000 into 1000 minus 1 into 399. Now 1000 into 399 minus 1 into 399. So 399 000 minus 399. Now subtract 1 0 936 893. Okay, find the value by using the distributive property. Okay, a number equal to, here we take common as 1562, then bracket, here is 62 remaining, then plus, then 38. Now 1562 into 100, 1562 00. Now B number, here take as common 638 into the remaining is 176 minus 75 minus 1, because 638 into we can write 1. So now 638 into, first we subtract, then it equal to 101 minus 1. Now 100 equal to 63800. Okay, next question, question number C. Here taking common as 15, so 15 into 85 plus 15. Now 15 into 100, so 1500. Now D number, here take common as 600. No, first we multiply 6880, then 437 minus 6880 into 337. Now taking common as 6880, then here is remaining is 437 minus 337. So 6880 into 100. Now 688000. Clear? Next, E number. Here first we multiply. Okay, 125 into 8 into 883 plus 117 into 25 into 40. Okay, first we multiply 125, sorry, 125 into 8, that is 1000. Okay, into 883 plus 117 into 25 4 ja 100, then 1000. Then take common 1000, then bracket the remaining is 883 plus 117. So 1000 into 1000, so 10 lakh. Okay. Now F number, here take common as 750. Yes or no? So 750 into bracket 17 plus 38 plus 27 plus 18. Now 750 into R कल के हब 100. So that is 750 into 100, sorry, 75000. Okay. Next question number 5. Rohan buy 12 computer and 12 printer. If the cost of one computer, first write down cost of one computer is equal to 56,233. Now write down cost of one printer is equal to 7,867. Clear? Write down total cost of 12 computer and 12 printer is equal to 12 into one computer price is 56,233, then plus, because he buy also 12 printers, so write down 12 into one printer price is 7,867. By using distributive property, then multiply, then here take 12 as common, then 56,233 plus 7867. Now add 7 3 10 carry 1, 6 3 9 10 carry 1, 8 2 8 plus 2 10 11 carry 1, 7 6 13 14 4 carry 1 5 6. Now multiply 6 4 1 into 12, 2 8 12, 641 2 9 6 7, that is 769200, 7,69,200. Next question. In a school, the monthly fee of a child is 497. There are 2,983 students in a school. Find the total fee collected in a month. So write down total fee collected in a month is equal to 497 into 2983. So we can write 497 as 500 minus 3 into 2983. Now use the distributive property, that is 2983 into 500 minus 2983 into 3. So multiply 5 3 ja 15 00, 5 8 ja 40 41, 5 9 जा 45, 4 5 9 जा 40 49, 4 5 2 जा 10 14, minus 9 3 8 जा 24, carry 2, 3 9 जा 27, 29, carry 2, 3 2 जा 6 2 8. Now subtract 1, then 0 4 sorry 9 4 6, 4 9 14 5, then 0 10 8 2, then 8 4 1. Okay, then today assignment question, this is the today assignment question. Then first we solve, then you can answer in the comment box or in the WhatsApp group or Telegram group. Okay, if you are new in my channel, you can subscribe my channel, okay, for more video. Till then, thank you.